Basketball, you betcha I'm back, and I'm right back where you want me to be. In the gym, ready to go to teach you what you need to be the best player you can be. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Oh yeah, you got time to do that while you're listening to the instructions of what we're about to do for this workout today. Let's get started, basketball. We're gonna start with a little dribbling exhibition. Yes, we're gonna get those two basketballs and we're gonna get them moving right away. We're gonna go low dribbles. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, let's go with the low dribbles. We got the low dribbles. We got the high dribbles. Yeah, no, not the middles. We want high dribbles right away, right away, right away. We want to pound them. Once you feel comfortable with that, you want to walk with those dribbles. We're just walking and pounding, okay? We're still in the beginning stages with the two balls. It's okay. Let's walk it and pound it, walk it and pound it, walk it and pound it. Then we're walking back. Oh, yes. Basketball, I need you to make sure you're working on the control as well as that left and that right brain working simultaneously together with those two basketballs. It's so very important for you to be an efficient dribbler under pressure. That's what we want, basketball. So now looking into the two dribble basketball, we're going to go shotgun dribbles. That's when those balls are offset and you're going boom, 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 boom. We got left, we got right, okay? We don't want it too high, we don't want it too low, okay? We want them to just be offset together, and we're going to start with low, okay? We're going to be stationary first. As we're stationary, we want to make sure we are low, okay? We don't want to bend our back or hurt our back. We want to be low. And then I forgot to tell you how much time it's going to be. We're going to go about a minute, okay? Let's go about a minute for each one. Don't want those arms to be too tired. Don't want you to stop dribbling the ball with aggression. That is the key, okay? The more aggressive you are, the more successful you'll be in this game. If you're timid, someone more aggressive is going to come and take that basketball away from you, and you don't want that, okay? So as we're doing that, we're going to shotgun dribble, we're going to walk it low, then we're going to come back, we're going to go stationary, we're going to shotgun it high, then we're going to walk it out, we're going to walk it back, okay? We're doing all of this to really focus on our ball control, okay? And then our last one that we're going to do that I like is we're just going to go two ball dribbles with in and outs, okay? We're going to go in and out, walk it, just regular height. We're going to, again, go a minute stationary, and then we're going to walk it, and then we're going to walk it back, okay? You're going to be a little tired after that. Arms are going to be burned out. Still want you to shoot 5 free throws. Probably airball the first one, but you'll be okay. And then we're going to make the 5, and then we're going to go get some water, all right? Then relax a little bit. Relax. But we're getting ready to go, baby. It's basketball. You already know. Basketball, you need to put that water bottle down and let's get rolling, okay? Look, we are going to work on layups, okay? Full speed, coming at the basket as fast as we can from every angle that we can. Every angle, okay? Baseline, shoom, lay it up. Wing, shoom, lay it up. From the top, shoom, lay it up. From the other wing, shoom, lay it up. And then from the baseline, shoom, rip through, lay it up. Okay? Then we're going to come back all the way around and do the same thing. We're going to do this twice. You're going to get a little tired when you're doing this, okay? Especially because you're getting your own rebound, you're running back, you're doing it on your own, okay? Focus on making the layup. You may not be going full speed, but you want to make sure you're making the layup, okay? That's the key. If you don't focus on making the layup, then what are we doing the drill for, okay? Basketball, come on, man. Don't waste your time. Don't waste my time. Let's grind, all right? So remember, we're going 2 times through. Then after we get done with that, just to ensure that we know how to make a layup, we're going to go ahead and go with our Mikins, okay? We're going to go with a Mikin drill. 10 on each side. That's with your right hand, with your left hand, okay? Then we're going to go Mikin reverse, 10 on each side, just to make sure you see that basketball going. Then we're going to get right under the basket and make 10. We're just going to throw it up, hit it off the glass, throw it up, hit it off the glass. Just seeing it going continuously, working on our mental aspect of a game where we really are visualizing that basketball go in the hoop. Okay, then once we've done that, we're going to go 3-level shooting. Okay, 3-level shooting, that's when you get another layup in. Now you shoot a midi, and then you go shoot a 3. What's a midi? A mid-range jump shot. Okay, you're going to go shoot that mid-range jump shot. Okay, make sure we're working on our momentum, stopping and going straight up. Don't let our momentum carry us forward where we're hitting the glass on a jump shot. Same thing with the 3, where we're pushing that ball too hard because we want to see it go in, right? Everybody wants to be Steph, but you end up pushing it left. Okay, and that's what we don't want. All right, so we're gonna go 3 times on our 3-level shooting, and then we're gonna do a nice little conditioning drill, but we are going to shoot, and that is going to be the star drill. Oh yeah, I love the star drill, man, because it works on your footwork. It gives you different angles on the court, and you have to kind of fix your body because you're not running your traditional way when you're coming from like the corner to the wing. You don't come straight to the same wing. You have to go across, and so that's a different type of footwork. You got to turn your body around, you got to spin a little bit, and so you really got to work on being balanced and turn early and have everything ready to go for your jump shot. We're only going to do star drill once, but you can do it twice if you don't make any shots. Like if you make nothing, you can do it twice, but I want you to do it at least once. Okay, you're going to do it from the mid-range, okay, where you go mid-range, elbow, other elbow, corner, and then the top, which is basically the free throw line. And then you're going to go 3-point line, which is corner, the other 3-point wing, the other 3-point wing, the corner, and then the top, the key. Okay, remember, you're just running in these different areas, so you got to really work on your different footwork because it's not the traditional way that you would run on the court on the strong side of the ball or getting a skip or whatever have you. Okay, all right, and then after you run around, I know you're gonna be just a little bit parched, so go ahead and go to the free throw line, knock down 5 shots, and then go get some water. And last but not least, defense. You know the chants when everybody's cheering against you. Well, let's use this to our advantage and let's be a defender. Okay, so we're gonna get on that line. Yeah, that baseline. And then we're going to be right there where the 3-point line is, and we're going to work on sprinting around the perimeter. Okay, let's sprint around the perimeter first. Then we're going to sprint back. Okay, then we're going to defensive slide around the perimeter. We're going to defensive slide back. We're going to do that twice. After we do that twice, we're going to then go to the half-court line. We're going to have 3 areas where we're set up in the middle, the elbow, the other elbow, and you can have 3 cones in that same area. You're going to run to the middle cone or the middle area. You're going to plant with your right foot, push off and defensive slide to the left area or cone, push back off, go all the way across past the middle cone to the furthest cone on the right, plant, come back to the middle, then backpedal all the way to half court. We're going to do this twice. Then we're going to go the other way where you plant off your left foot, go to the right, come across, passing the middle cone, going to the left cone, pushing off your left foot, then planting and going backpedaling all the way back to half court. Then we're going to go to the elbow after that drill is over. Okay, and then we're going to do our square drill, which is like an NBA defensive drill where you're going to sprint down, you're going to slide across the baseline, you're going to backpedal to the elbow, you're going to slide 2 times, almost getting you to the other elbow, but not quite. Then you're going to slide back, you're going to sprint down to the baseline again, slide across the baseline, you're going to backpedal back. That, my friends, is going to be 3 times, and that is a very tiring drill. I can guarantee you that. Now I'm going to put a little twist on this one. This one is going to be what I call the burnout. Okay, so we are going to go to the corner of the baseline, okay, like the very corner of the basketball court or floor. We're going to work our zigzag drill that you're familiar with, and we're going to sprint all the way to the baseline. Okay, once we do our 4 zigzags, okay, remember you're going to the block, the sideline, almost like the top of the 3, and then out to the sideline, and you're sprinting. We're going to sprint to the key, and then we're going to do 20 seconds of defensive slides, key to key. Okay, we got 3 of these. When I tell you your legs are going to be cooked, it's going to be pretty bad at the free throw line. Speaking of that, that's where we're going to go after we get this done, and we're going to make 10 free throws. If you don't shoot better than 50%, which means 5 out of 10, then I need you to shoot them again, okay? And that's it. That's all you have to do today. Basketball U, thank you once again for joining the Daily Trainer. I'm here. I'm also bringing more episodes to you as well because there's some more knowledge that we have to provide with all these different things coming up, all these different rules, all these circuits, all these different teams, all these new leagues. All these things are happening at AAU. Also with the high school, they're starting to pick that up to make it more of a glorified month of good basketball. So also want to enlighten you on that and what that looks like. And that's it. Basketball U, I need you to remember this. Someone's always working. Are you?